Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE here and it's running the latest One UI 7 version, and with that comes some latest Galaxy AI features as well. So in this video, I'm gonna go through these Galaxy AI features on this tablet. Now, one thing that I've noticed here is that all the Galaxy AI features that you get on your phone, you don't get them on the tablet, at least not on this tablet. So let's go through some of these Galaxy AI features. And unlike on your phone, on this tablet, they are called intelligent features, and the menu is not in the main settings. To get to the intelligent features, you have to go in the settings, then go in advanced features, and here you will find intelligent features. Now, if you'll go in here, you'll see that there is a list of all of these intelligent features. So we'll go through them one by one. So the first feature that we're going to try is object eraser, and as the name suggests, it allows you to erase objects from your photo. So we'll go in the gallery, and here I have this photo, this thumbnail photo that I took of Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now here you can see that I've got some props here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and erase some of these objects. To get to the object eraser, the easiest way is to tap on the Galaxy AI button here and go in object eraser, and this will analyze the image. And then what you can do is you can outline these objects and it will snap to the object, and then you can just erase it and wait for it to do that. And now it has erased it. It hasn't done a good job. It has recreated these dice here, but haven't really fully done the job. So we're going to try and do this one. So that's at least better than before. Let's erase this. Let's try this out again. There are still some smudges here. It hasn't done the perfect job. Let's try something else. I'm gonna try and erase some of these boards here. So I'm gonna go in Galaxy AI, object eraser, and let it analyze the photo. And now, okay, so when it analyzes the photo, it sometimes automatically select what it wants to erase, but you can change that. Okay, now it has selected the whole thing, and let's try to erase it. So now here it has done a fantastic job. It's gone, and if you don't know what was here, you would probably not guess if something has been erased. It looks really natural. Let's try to do the same here. And there you go. So it works well in some situations and not as well in other situations. And then you can also save a copy. Another Galaxy AI feature that they have introduced in this tablet is best face. So this is also related to the motion photos. So you have to take motion photos for this feature to work. Now if I go in gallery and I'll open up one of my photos, this is the motion photo. Now if you don't know how to take a motion photo, go in the camera and tap on this button, and this will turn on the motion photo, and this will actually take a small video of the photo that you're taking. And using that video, what it does is that it analyzes the best face in the photo, and you can select which one it is, and then you can have that face in the photo. Tap on Galaxy AI, you can go and choose best face. Now here you have also seen that based on the type of the image it gives you different options. So now it has provided me with 4 different faces, and I can choose between them. And all of them look little artificial, like you can tell that they have been AI generated or AI moderated some way. They're not fully natural, but you can select different photos here and save it as a copy, or you can save the original. So this is the copy and this is the original. Another very important Galaxy AI feature that they have included in this tablet is the read aloud feature, and you can access it from the Samsung internet. So if you go in Samsung internet, you can open up any blog post, and if you are not in a mood to read it, what you can do is simply tap on this Galaxy AI button and then tap on read aloud, and it will start reading it back to you loud. And then you can also see this highlight, and you can see where it is at that point. You can tap here and you can see the progress bar. You can change the speed, go back, go forward, pause it, and you can also go in settings. Let me pause it. So if you go in settings, so here you can download more languages, and here you can download different styles, and then you can listen in those languages as well. So this is a very cool feature. Now let's talk about one of the most useful Galaxy AI features that they've included in this tablet, and it is called AI Select. Now you can use it by going into the edge panels and tapping on AI Select, and it will turn the whole screen into a canvas, and now you can draw anywhere and you can get information about that. So I can draw about around anything. I can set it as a wallpaper. I can grab the text from here, tap on this menu, and more options appear. Like now I can create a GIF out of it. I can share it and write on it, pin it, copy it, share it, and download it as well. But there are some other important use case scenarios here. So for example, if you have some important information on your screen, you can use AI Select, and now I have an address here, so I will just circle it, and I have same options, but now I also have the option to grab the text from here. So once I have done that, I can copy this text, but there is also an option for map. So it has recognized, it's intelligent enough to recognize that this is an address. So I can tap on the map and it will take me to that address on Google Maps, which is fantastic. Now similarly, I can go in here and I can very quickly, let's circle this website. Now once again, I can grab the text. Now because this is a web address, it will give me an option to open it as a website. So I can tap on it and it will open this website in the browser. And this feature also works for phone numbers. So it will give you a direct option to make a call on that number. So in that way, it is a fantastic feature, really useful, and you can grab a lot of stuff from your display and make use of it. For now, that's about it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.